The black hills rise like a prayer. Rapid City rests in their shadow, a meeting of wind and earth. I came here years ago, when life was turning again, and the people I met fed me more than food. They taught me to listen before cooking, to thank the corn before tasting it, and to let every meal begin with gratitude. Here, earth energy reigns. Kapha, in its purest form, steady, strong, nurturing, the kind that holds communities together through winter. But balance means remembering movement, remembering breath. Gratitude keeps the soil alive inside us. 4 cafe seasons, Ayurveda teaches us to lighten the body with warmth and spice, to ground gently but not grow heavy. Corn and beans are perfect, teaches they give structure, yet welcome fire from cumin, tile, and smoked salt. Today's recipe is a 3 Sisters harvest stew corn, beans, and squash, simmered slowly with smoked paprika, garlic, and a touch of ghee. The 3 Sisters is more than a meal. It's a relationship. Corn grows tall, beans climber, and squash covers their feet, each protecting the other. That's nourishment as community. The Lakota, Dakota, and Nakota nations call this region the heart of everything that is. Their foodways carry stories older than these hills. Every ingredient holds ceremony. Every table is a circle, not a line. When we cook this stew, we join that circle, learning again to give thanks before we take. I remember those evenings on Ellsworth Wynd against the hangars, laughter from the kitchen, the smell of corn and cedar in the air. Healing didn't come through words, it came through the pot on the stove, through friendship, through food. Sometimes gratitude is the only prayer we have left, and it's enough. This was Rapid City Corn and Gratitude. Next, we journey north to Alaska, where salmon teaches warmth and stillness, keeps us alive. Until then, bend, root, breathe. Thanks for joining me on this journey. If this story resonated with you, please consider subscribing for more recipes and reflections. See you next time.